Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the beauty bar. And if you have not yet went and watched my wash day routine, make sure that you check out my channel because it will be interesting. And it is uploading right now. And right now, I just washed. And I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize and seal my relaxed hair. I'm going to take these down. And I'm going to show you guys what I use. Let's clip this out the way. I use this Neutrogena. That's my leave-in. And I'm stretching my relaxer right now. That's why I have my hair plaited up. And this stinks to high heavens, but boo, sis, it works, I promise. That's how much I use. Now grab, go all the way to the end. And I get my brush. I need a relaxer bad. I'm trying to wait till I start at the end. I'm trying to wait till the end of this month because I'm 4 months post relaxer or 5 months post. I think it's 5. Look at that. Detangling done. Thank me later, sis. Go up to the next section. Take that one down, and I repeat this process all the way around. That to me is the fastest way that I have ever washed my hair. Going back in with this again, the Neutrogena. Triple moisture, and I love this stuff, guys. My relaxed hair loves this stuff. It loves it, loves it, loves it. And let me know down in the comments what you use for your relaxed hair, if you are relaxed. Or if you are natural, because some of the natural products does work on my hair, but it don't do like it's Neutrogena. Neutrogena, like, sis, use me, because it provides amazing slip for me after I've washed. Look at that. Look at that. And my hair will stay moisturized until I wash again. And I have no clue what I'm gonna do to my hair, but it's okay. I don't put a lot of heat on my hair either, because that breaks your hair off. So I do a lot of protective styles, and let me know down in the comments whether or not you would like to see my go-to protective styles. Because I do wear a lot of protective styles to protect my hair. especially when I am stretching my eyelashes like I'm doing now. And that's the reason why I actually wash my hair in braids. I have been using this stuff. Oh my God. Ooh. Don't worry about them roots, sis. We're gonna get them roots too. Don't worry. We're gonna get them. Make sure that you guys like this video, you comment, and you subscribe to my channel because I do post daily on my channel. And make sure that you never miss another video from yours truly. Look at that. Look at that. Long hair, don't care, sis. Long hair, don't care. Yes. And I got this brush from the Dollar Tree. Because we all balling on a budget, honey. All balling on a budget. Is this on this side or this side? Yep, that's this side. That's a shame. I didn't even know what side I was on. But it's okay. Yes, honey. I'm not even gonna lie. I did try the Neutrogena, but it was not for me. I turned into a product junkie. But my daughter, stink butt, is relaxed. And I do her hair. Always start at the bottom. Work your way up. Look at that. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Yeah, boo. I need a relaxer. Bad, honey, bad. And after I finish with that section, I go over all of it. Make sure we ain't got no lumps, bumps, nothing like that. And I twist it up and get it out the way. Sometime I will do like this and let it dry. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Ooh. My hands are slick. I'm telling you. It does wonders. I'm gonna catch you guys when I get up top over here somewhere, okay? Take this, and it has like the little nozzle at the top, and I love that. Gets down in these roots, honey, and that gives it a generous amount. Although it does stink, it will. The smell will fade. Finger pads and massage that in. Then, after it's all said and done, go back over and make sure I get them ends, honey. That's the oldest part of your hair. There we go. ends, them edges. And depending on what style I'm trying to achieve, I will let my hair air dry. But if I'm trying to like roll my hair up, I'll roll it up quick fast like that. But I think I'm gonna let my hair air dry because I gotta do my hair, y'all, and I have no clue. Let me know that in the comments what you guys think I should do with my hair, because I'm really about to put it up in some braids. Do you guys see this? Like, sis, I need a perm, like, for real. Like I said, I tried the natural thing. Was not for me. Was not for me. But yeah, this is all I do when I'm after wash day or whatever. This is all I do. And then I let my hair air dry. If I'm gonna put it up in braids or if I'm gonna roll it up, I'll go ahead and roll it up. But I think that's it for today. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you subscribe to my channel, because I'm pretty sure it's something on here for everybody. Make sure you check it out, okay? And tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you.